Welcome back to the print house, guys. I'm at the end of my day at work, and I figured I'm gonna do a quick demo on printing on ultraboard. This is a foam core type substrate. It's like a paper and foam on the inside, like a gator board, more or less. It's not plastic, or it is plastic. I'm sorry, it's not paper though. It is plastic. So I'm at the end of the day, and we wanted to print some PacMan logos to hang on the wall above one of the offices. So it would be pretty cool to do that. So I'm using scrap boards. We get a lot of these scrap boards from jobs that we cut down. So it's, you know, at least we're not throwing them out. So like I said, it's at the end of the day, I'm getting ready to go home. So I figured I'd just do this real quick beforehand. So I'm gonna go ahead. This is the whole process I start when I'm loading a board on this printer. So here I alcohol cleaned it, wiped it before I put it in because it is dusty. I blew it off first and then I did that. So to load a board on the R2000, guys, we go to load. We go in our substrate type. We're going to choose United Industries ultraboard, and we're going to make sure it's on sheet, because what we want to do is we only want to measure the width. We don't want to measure the back of the sheet and the thickness. So auto measure on it is for width and thickness. So we'll go ahead and hit load. So now it's just going to load, and you'll see what it's doing. It's going to drop down the bar, and that's when you know it's okay to put your board in to the stop. So it goes down, the light comes on. When it does that, you're ready. Usually I just throw it in right up to that guide, push it against the edge all the way to the left. You can remove that guide, or you can leave it in. I leave it in usually. If it's a big board, sometimes I feed it forward just to help get the material straight in. You hit feed. Now it's going to go ahead and go for its thickness and width measurements. So what it does is right away it takes the first inch in, drops down, measures the width and the thickness of the material. And what we're doing is the other part of this PacMan thing, which is cool. Here's the other ones. We just print right to the board, and we'll either route them out or we'll cut them out by hand. So right now let's just measure the width. And then we'll go ahead and we got the monitors on both sides on the R2000 Plus, so you can work from each side. I usually don't run the printer. One of my guys under me runs the printer, so I get to play on it on my time off, and you know, at the end of the day, stuff like that. So now we're done. I'm gonna go ahead. I already got this one set. It's just indoor signage, 6 pass, and that's 6 pass. It looks really good for 6 pass. You don't get no banding on there with this or anything like that. So we'll go ahead and we'll just drag it over, and it's ready to go. We're just going to hit print, guys. Now it's printing. So I'm going to pause for a minute just because it's going to go through temperature, heat up, and then when it starts printing, I'll go ahead and start up again. Like you can see here though, it's starting to get ready. It's getting ready to print now. It advanced it. And here she goes. That's a 36-inch wide by 31 in the length, and I'm only using like 14, 15 of it. So I'll start to print out now. 6 pass. So this print, this is only going to take like 4 minutes on the flatbed setup here. Not even giving me a time, but this is just one PacMan and a ghost on this one. Still doesn't have a time. Well, like I said, 6 passes is very sufficient for this. You won't see really any banding at all. It says 1 minute left. So really it's like 3 minutes total, if that. That's pretty quick, huh? Usually when you're doing indoor signage, that's pretty much all you need for that. I'll let it go until it's to the end of that, and then I'll pause while it's coming out. If it comes out and it goes through the dryer, usually I have a table here where we do boards, but I'm going to catch it on the way out. So that's it for the print. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and catch it on the way out. It's getting ready to come out now. See, there's no banding in there, guys. You can even do 4 passes on that probably, but if you do the maintenance to keep up with it, you won't get any banding on it. Just another second here. And that's it. Well, that's the 2 prints I just did. That took less than 10 minutes total, guys. And that's ready to go. HP latex, no outgassing or anything like that. So these are just going to get cut out and hung up on the wall over one of the offices. Pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you in the next one.